So, Sakina, how to deal with procrastination, especially when it is related to past relationship or past relationship trauma? जैसे for example you have had a relationship in the past, or in present you have accepted it that that so and so person is not in your life. You are living a good life, but still that trigger is still there in your mind,
and because
and
of
you're
which you
not
are not able to continue with
हाँ,
your life.
और फिर अभी वो overcome नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप for some reason.
Okay, so I think losing of someone in the form of death or broken relationships, broken friendships is one of the most traumatizing experiences for any human. Okay, लेकिन हम अपने आप को हमको टाइम देना है टू हील. Trying to act कि it has not affected you is rubbish. Okay? तो आपको अपने आप को टाइम देना है. वो टाइम, वो हीलिंग टाइम के अंदर आप प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट कर रहे हैं तो आई स्टिल नॉट टर्म इट एज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, बिकॉज यूर हीलिंग, एंड हीलिंग कैन नेवर बी टर्म्ड एज प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन.
Okay.
अगर आप कोई टास्क नहीं कर रहे हो बिकॉज यूर हीलिंग, you are given the license to not do it. But kitna time? For a couple of days, couple of weeks, and then there is a pain which will always be there. But your body and your mind, वो अपने आप सिखा देते हैं कि you have to live on. Okay? So बहुत लोग नहीं करते हैं कुछ चीज़ें because उनको लगता है कि अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी के पेरेंट्स का डेथ हो गया है फैमिली में, एंड दे फील कि अगर नाउ इफ आई कंटिन्यू विथ माई लाइफ इवन आफ्टर 1 month, आई विल बी प्रूविंग दैट मैं मेरे पेरेंट्स को इनफ प्यार नहीं करती हूँ. लोग सोचेंगे कि आई एम नॉट इनफ, आई वॉज नॉट अ गुड चाइल्ड. सो दे हैव दिस माइंड सेट कि पीपल थिंक के मतलब आई हैव मूव्ड ऑन. ओके, सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेन हमेशा रहेगा, वो एक वैक्यूम एक इंसान का रहेगा.
Right.
We need to understand and follow our life, continue our life with that pain. So the pain
How to
minimizes.
get rid of that pain? अच्छा,
Yeah,
it minimizes
it
with time.
minimizes. Time is the best healer. लेकिन आप वो टाइम के साथ क्या करते हो वो भी इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Right.
अगर आपको, अगर if somebody is injured, आपको अगर बर्न है कहीं और आप वही बर्न पे घिसोफाई some other things, तो वो बर्न कभी भी होगा, that scar will never heal. It will be there. बट अगर आप वो स्कार को टाइम दोगे, ओके फाइन, हील इट, यू नो, ट्रीट इट, मेडिकेट इट, तो वो हील होगा. सो वॉट यू डू विथ योर टाइम इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू वॉन्ट टू क्राई, क्राई इट आउट, बट डोंट डू थिंग्स विच विल डीपन योर स्कार. Don't self harm, don't harm others around you, don't go into negative thoughts. Cry karna hai, you know, again as I said, I always say that if you want to cry, cry it out. How you deal with it, it's your choice. If you don't know how to deal with it, we are there, we are professionals to help you. You can always reach out, but you have to have a mental timeline sometimes, you know, okay fine, you know, now I need to come out of it and move on. And then once you move on, I will not call it as procrastination. लेकिन उसके बहुत टाइम हो गया and still you're not able to move on, then you might need to see a professional, and then we try to work out कि how has it affected you and how traumatized are you अब तक.
Because sometimes क्या होता है, even if you move on, that it is there in the back of your mind.
Yes, it is.
Though it is not affecting your current life,
yeah.
because you are that strong mentally and you have trained your mind to be that.
Yes.
Okay, this is what the reality is and this is I've accepted and this is I'm living in. But sometimes when it triggers your mind and, you know, it gives an alarm to your mind and it's disturbing kind of sometimes.
No, but there are times अगर आप fully heal भी हो चुके हो किसी के loss, death या फिर broken relationship के, वो एक flashes आते हैं.
Because normally youngsters, teenagers ये चीजें face कर रहे हैं.
Yeah, but वो flashes आएंगे, like there will be you're completely healed, आप अपनी life अच्छे से जी रहे हो, continue कर रहे हो, you're working, doing everything, but there will be times अचानक से वो एक flash आ जाएगा वो इंसान का. You know, like it could be a death of a person or again a broken relationship, and it is okay because हमारे पास एक switch on switch off का button है ही नहीं, we are humans.
Yes.
Okay, so it is okay as long as you take it as a passing thought. या फिर एक, you know, म्यूजिक होता है या फिर एक मूवी होता है या फिर एक कुछ होता है जिसकी वजह से आपको वो इंसान की याद आ जाएगी, and it is normal. it is fine.
Because you cannot completely delete something
Yeah,
from
you
your life
cannot.
which you have been a part of.
Absolutely, you can diffuse it. आप उसका जो ये है, sorry, I'm not getting the word.
मेमोरी को ब्लर करना काइंड ऑफ
नहीं, मेमोरी ब्लो नहीं, जो उसका इफेक्ट है
हाँ,
उसको हम मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं. उसका जो
Okay.
इम्पैक्ट है उसको हम मिनिमाइज कर सकते हैं, ब्लर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन it will still be there
But again,
somewhere in
give
your
it a
mind.
time वाला
Yeah,
case
give
है.
it time and slowly we move on, yaar. We move on. We all go through losses in life, which maybe few people talk about it, few people don't. Everybody has their own coping mechanisms.